Volcanoes. These magnificent natural structures are among the most awe-inspiring and formidable features of our planet. Towers of fire and fury. They erupt with a force that can reshape landscapes, spewing molten rock and ash high into the sky. Across our world, they stand as monuments to the Earth's immense power. From the Pacific Ring of Fire to the volcanic islands of the Mediterranean, these giants are ever present. They are a reminder that we live on a planet that breathes, that moves, that constantly reshapes itself. Each eruption is a testament to the dynamic nature of our world. These giants, often cloaked in serene beauty, hold within them the potential for both destruction and creation. Their eruptions can devastate entire regions, yet they also create new landforms and enrich the soil with minerals. Their slopes, sometimes verdant with life, sometimes scarred by past eruptions, tell a story that stretches back millennia. The flora and fauna that thrive on these slopes are a testament to nature's resilience, a story of fiery birth, of slumbering power, and of dramatic awakenings. Each volcano has its own unique history, a chronicle of the Earth's inner workings. Join us now as we journey to the heart of a volcano to witness a day in its life. We'll explore the forces that drive these natural wonders and the impact they have on our world. Scientists dedicate their lives to studying these powerful formations, seeking to understand their behavior and predict future eruptions. Their work is crucial in mitigating the risks posed by active volcanoes. Throughout history, volcanic eruptions have had profound effects on human civilizations. From the destruction of Pompeii to the disruption of air travel by Iceland's Eyjafjallajökull, these events remind us of our vulnerability. Yet despite the dangers, many communities live in the shadow of these giants, drawn by the fertile soils and the unique beauty of volcanic landscapes. Their lives are intertwined with the rhythms of the volcano. As we delve deeper into the world of volcanoes, we gain a greater appreciation for their role in shaping our planet. They are not just agents of destruction, but also creators of new beginnings. Witness the birth of new land as lava meets the sea, solidifying to form new islands. This process, though violent, is a crucial part of the Earth's ever-changing landscape. The rocks and minerals ejected during eruptions provide valuable insights into the Earth's interior. By studying them, scientists can piece together the history of our planet. So as we stand in awe of these sentinels of the Earth, let us remember their dual nature. They are both destroyers and creators, shaping our world in ways both seen and unseen. Join us on this journey of discovery as we uncover the mysteries of volcanoes and their profound impact on our planet. Welcome to the world of the Sentinels of the Earth. Dawn breaks over the volcano, casting a golden hue across the rugged landscape. The first light of day reveals the ancient majesty of this natural wonder, a sentinel of time standing tall against the horizon. The sky transforms into a canvas of orange, pink, and purple hues, painting the landscape with an ethereal glow, each color blending seamlessly into the next, creating a masterpiece that only nature can craft. The beauty of the dawn sky is a reminder of the ever-changing yet timeless nature of our world. As the first rays of sunlight touch the summit, tendrils of steam rise from the crater like whispers from the Earth's depths. These wisps of steam are a testament to the ongoing activity beneath the surface, a silent yet powerful reminder of the forces that shape our planet. This volcano, a majestic cone rising high above the surrounding plains, has stood for countless generations. Its towering presence dominates the landscape, a symbol of both creation and destruction. The volcano's sheer size and grandeur inspire awe and respect, a natural monument to the Earth's fiery origins. Its slopes bear the marks of time, ancient lava flows now hardened into contorted shapes, and layers of ash that speak of eruptions long past. These geological features tell a story of a dynamic and ever-changing environment, where each eruption leaves its mark, adding to the rich tapestry of the volcano's history. But beneath this tranquil exterior, a primal force stirs. The volcano's calm facade belies the intense activity within, where molten rock and gases churn and build, waiting for the moment to break free. This hidden power is a reminder of the raw and untamed energy that lies beneath the Earth's surface, a force that has shaped our world for millennia and will continue to do so for eons to come. As the sun climbs higher, the volcano begins to awaken. Deep within its fiery heart, molten rock, known as magma, churns and bubbles. Gases trapped within the magma expand, creating pressure that builds relentlessly against the Earth's crust above. The ground trembles. A low rumble echoes through the air, like the distant roar of a slumbering beast. The volcano is a living, breathing entity, its every breath a testament to the immense forces at play beneath our feet. Deep beneath the volcano's surface in the Earth's mantle, temperatures soar. Here, rock melts into magma, a fiery cauldron that fuels the volcano's power. This molten rock, driven by heat and pressure, rises through cracks and fissures in the Earth's crust. The Earth's tectonic plates, constantly shifting and colliding, play a crucial role in this process. As these plates move, they create zones of weakness where magma can rise, leading to the formation of volcanoes. Section 5. When giants breathe. The pressure within the volcano's magma chamber intensifies. It is a force that cannot be contained. Finally, with a deafening roar, the volcano erupts. A column of ash and gas shoots skyward, a dark plume against the azure canvas of the sky. Molten rock, now called lava, spills over the crater's edge, cascading down the slopes in fiery rivers. The air is thick with the smell of sulfur and the sound of exploding rocks. It is a spectacle of both terror and awe-inspiring beauty. Section 6. A tapestry of ash and light. The immediate aftermath of an eruption is a scene of devastation. Ash falls like snow, blanketing the surrounding landscape. Lava flows solidify into jagged rock formations, reshaping the terrain. Yet, even in this seemingly barren landscape, life finds a way. Volcanic ash, rich in minerals, eventually breaks down, enriching the soil. Plants, adapted to these harsh conditions, begin to colonize the ash fields. Animals, drawn by the promise of new life, return to the slopes of the volcano. Section 7. Guardians of a fragile balance. Volcanoes, often perceived as agents of destruction, are in fact essential to the Earth's delicate balance. They are vents that release heat from the Earth's interior, regulating its temperature. Volcanic eruptions, though disruptive in the short term, have played a vital role in shaping our planet's atmosphere and oceans over millions of years. They are a reminder that our planet is a dynamic, ever-changing system, and that even the most destructive forces can ultimately give rise to new life. Section 8. The legacy of fire. As the sun begins its descent, casting long shadows across the landscape, the volcano stands silent once more. The air is clear, the only evidence of the day's eruption a thin veil of ash high in the atmosphere. But the volcano's legacy endures. The landscape, forever altered by the forces of fire and earth, is a testament to the volcano's power. The cycle of destruction and renewal, a fundamental rhythm of nature, continues. Section 9. A timeless spectacle. Volcanoes, places of primal power, of breathtaking beauty, of profound geological significance. These natural wonders have fascinated humanity for centuries, drawing us in with their raw, untamed energy. From the ancient myths that spoke of gods residing within their fiery depths to the modern scientific endeavors that seek to understand their mysteries, volcanoes have always held a special place in our collective imagination. They remind us of the immense forces that shape our planet. The eruptions, with their explosive power, are a testament to the dynamic nature of Earth's interior. The molten lava that flows from their craters, the ash clouds that rise high into the sky, and the new landforms they create are all evidence of the ever-changing face of our world, and of the delicate balance that sustains life on Earth. Despite their destructive potential, volcanoes also play a crucial role in nurturing life. The rich, fertile soils formed from volcanic ash support diverse ecosystems, allowing plants and animals to thrive in their shadow. This juxtaposition of destruction and creation is a powerful reminder of nature's resilience and adaptability. As we have journeyed through a day in the life of a volcano, we have witnessed both its awesome power and its serene beauty. From the first light of dawn illuminating its slopes to the fiery glow of sunset casting long shadows, the volcano stands as a silent sentinel watching over the land. We have witnessed both its awesome power in the form of eruptions that can reshape landscapes in an instant, and its quieter moments of steaming vents and bubbling lava lakes. Each phase of a volcano's activity tells a story of the Earth's inner workings, a narrative written in fire and stone, and its crucial role in the grand tapestry of nature. The ecosystems that develop around volcanoes are unique, often home to species found nowhere else on Earth. These environments are a testament to life's ability to adapt and flourish, even in the most challenging conditions. They are a timeless spectacle, these fiery giants, standing tall against the backdrop of the night sky, their glowing lava flows creating a mesmerizing display. Under the stars, the volcanoes seem almost otherworldly, a bridge between the Earth and the cosmos. A reminder that we are but temporary inhabitants of a planet that has been alive for billions of years. The villages and towns that nestle in the shadows of these giants live in a delicate balance, ever aware of the potential for both beauty and danger, that dances to the rhythm of its own ancient music. The cycles of eruption and dormancy, the creation and destruction, all part of a natural symphony that has played out for eons. As we stand in awe of these magnificent formations, we are reminded of our place in the grand scheme of things, mere spectators to the timeless spectacle of the Earth's fiery heart.